Hey guys, what I'm going to do a little challenge here. If I can't balance on my leg, 1 foot challenge, whatever, for 10 seconds, I have to buy the worst chainsaw engine on the internet. So, let's do it. Oh god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh god, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Okay, guys. I'll see you when the engine gets delivered. Oh dear. Hey guys, I am back and look. Doesn't even start. Oh, look. It's filthy. It doesn't even start, guys. We tried doing everything. We tried putting petrol in, we tried putting new oil in, put petrol in the fuse. It did start for a second and then it just cut off, so yeah. Can't believe it.